Looking for a simple, effective way to budget your money in 2025? Every dollar is a budgeting app built around the zero-based budgeting method, meaning every dollar you earn gets assigned a specific job. You start by creating a monthly budget where you allocate funds for expenses, savings, and debt payments. Nothing gets left unassigned. The app helps you track your spending against the plan so you stay on target all month long. Every dollar's interface is clean and it's easy to use, making it made perfect for beginners and those who want to avoid complicated tools. In 2025, the app has improved syncing options with your bank accounts, available in the paid version, which makes tracking even easier and more accurate. Even if you prefer the free version, you can still manually input your expenses and keep a tight grip on your budget. The app is great if you want to get serious about managing your money, paying off debt, or setting for big goals without getting overwhelmed. If you want a straightforward, no frills budgeting tool that helps you stay disciplined, every dollar is definitely worth a try in 2025. You check it out and don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more personal finance app reviews.